The Kilgone Robot Vacuum KM-2000 offers a seamless cleaning experience with its advanced connectivity options, allowing users to control and schedule cleaning through an intuitive app and voice commands. This versatile, two-in-one device combines powerful vacuuming with efficient mopping, ensuring a comprehensive clean with its tangle-free nozzle and spacious water tank. Its ultra-thin design and sophisticated obstacle avoidance system enable the vacuum to effortlessly navigate under furniture and through tight spaces for an efficient cleaning routine. Equipped with a robust battery and brushless motors, the vacuum can operate for up to 120 minutes, covering large areas while automatically recharging for uninterrupted maintenance. Pet owners will appreciate the vacuum's ability to tackle pet hair with ease, thanks to its strong suction and advanced filtration system that minimizes tangles and allergens. Overall, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum KM-2000 is a quiet yet powerful cleaning solution that caters to the diverse needs of modern households, ensuring a pristine living environment.